Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Listen, we got another super simple dish to make today. Alright, so most of the stuff that we're going to be doing is going to be simple stuff, things that you can do real quick. Okay, today we're going to do VDUB's version of chopped cheese, okay? So we're going to do it on these $4 for $1 or $3 for $1 hoagie rolls that you can get from Kroger's, HEB, Walmart, and we're going to step it up a notch by adding some minced onions, okay? If you never use minced onions, all you have to do is add a little water to them, put them in a bowl, add a little water to them, and they will hydrate, and you can actually fit them into your dish. Now today, we're going to use the Easy Melt, which is just HEB's brand of Velveeta. It works the same. I don't see any difference when I use this versus Velveeta, okay? And again, we've got the 1 pound of ground meat, okay? And here we have our minced onions, okay? We got 1 tomato and some romaine lettuce. And we're going to chop up and add to the dish at the end. Put a little bit of tomato, a little bit of lettuce, mix it up a little bit, put a little bit more of this, rub it down, put it in fall, do another spoonful. Okay. A little bit more tomatoes. A little bit more lettuce. Yeah, I kind of like lettuce. Okay guys, so here we are, ready to put the rolls back in the oven. So we're going to leave them there probably about, I'd say 8 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes. As soon as they toast, that's all we're trying to do is toast the outside of that bun. And we've got some butter on the outside to make it kind of crunchy a little bit. So we'll be back in about 7 or 8 minutes. Alright guys, so we are done with our finished product. Probably should have done a little bit different. I should have probably used some toothpicks, but that's okay. Ooh, that's hot. Hey, eat it now. Ready for our taste test. Look, y'all can see that. Man, look. This is good. I'm telling you, if you hadn't done this, you need to try it. And it's just my version of chopped cheese is all it is, y'all. So anyway, we're going to take a taste test and see what we're working with. This is on point. Got a little tomatoes in them. Look, I even got stuff on my lip. That toasted bread. Them little minced onions. Take that flavor over the top. Man, y'all have got to try this dish if you haven't. It is really good. It's really simple to make. It only took about almost 30 minutes. So anyway, listen guys, we hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please like, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe to our videos, okay? So we can keep pushing more out, just like this. Now, as I close out this video, in every video, I want to say this. Every day is a good day. It's all in how you live it. And I live mine to the fullest. With that being said, thanks for watching our video, and we out.